Nebraska is so cheap. Why do you put medians for truck parking? Nebraska rest stops usually are parallel parking, and you can't even park on both sides of the parallel parking. They built this one, but then they put the medians here. Why do you put a median for truck parking? You can put the lights over here. I guess they got a light over there. See the light? Neato. They got lights. Why do you put a median for truck parking? That leads to accidents. It's like somebody pays billions of dollars for rest stops in Nebraska, and then they build them as cheap as they can. Don't put medians where there's trucking involved. Don't put medians in the way of trucks. Build you a nice rest area. Don't be cheap. And if you need to install some lights, put them on the edge. Don't put medians for trucks. You can use medians to separate the cars from the trucks, but don't put medians where truck parking is. I know it's hard for you to do. There's people that love conflict. The government loves criminals because it gives them more power, more police. Quit putting medians where truck parking is.